Hey, what's going on, guys? And for today, I am going to show you exactly how to use the Help Center for Artlist AI. If you ever get stuck or need quick answers, this is the perfect place to find what you need. Let's dive right in and get started. So first, open up your browser and go to artlist.io. Now, once you're here, you can scroll down to the bottom of the page and you should find the link for the Help Center right here. Now, you can also click on your avatar on the top right corner, and from here, click on Help and click on Help Center. So this is going to take you to a new page. Now, once you are in the Help Center page, you will see 7 categories. You have your subscriptions and plans, account and billing, AI toolkit, Artlist Studio, stock catalog, licensing and coverage, and templates. Now, if you have questions within these topics, you can simply click on these categories and you can find your answer. Also, you can search your specific questions right here. So, for example, you can say, how to change my voice, and then just hit enter. Now, it is going to give you a list of results, and if the answer you're looking for is not in this result, you can also click on the chat icon right here. Now, once you're in here, you can ask your question and the AI assistant will get back at you. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.